2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Salt Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you the song I Think I Love You by Phora. That was my cat. Blocked my video. Anyway, this is a great song. It's got some nice chords going on. We get an F major. Oh, I actually start with putting a cape on the first fret. Now we have an F major 7. And I want to play it like this. We should play it like this. 3, 3, 2, 1. Strum it from the A string. And high E open. To A minor. 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. To G major. Play G major like this. Mute the A string. To C major 7. It's 2 on the D, 3 on the A. To the last chord, E minor. It's 2, 3. So here's the switching. F major, 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor, G, C major, 7, E minor. Beautiful composition. There it is. I Think I Love You. Thanks guys for tuning in, and I'll see you tomorrow with more great songs. Be safe.